Good day. Today I want to show you an all natural mix that you can add to the food of the pigeons to forever keep your pigeons in a better and in a great condition. Conditioning is of the utmost importance, and it's a full-time job. You need to condition your pigeons for 12 months of the year. So what you need some onions, a little garlic, some honey, and also a little lemon juice. So what I've done here is I've grated the onions as well as the garlic. So I've grated it, so then it's easily mixable. So this is my food, and what I now do is I add the grated onions and garlic to the food. There you are. Then I add a squeeze of lemon juice, and then just a little honey, and then you can mix it in. The honey is just to make the food a bit sticky, and then you can mix it, and there you are. Then you can just give it to your pigeons, and you'll see they love it. It's very healthy for them, and in no time they will be pink and silky. Have a great day.